There's a city lost in the waters deep. Traveler sails on a path unknown, guided by stars to the ancient throne. In the depths of the sea, where the silence reigns, a hidden world where mystery remains. Through the shadows and the crystal clear, the lost city of Atlantis draws near. In the heart of the ocean, where the legends lie, a sunken realm beneath the sky. Golden spires and sapphire streets, the lost city of Atlantis, where history meets. Through the ruins, the corals embrace the echoes of glory in every place. Statues of gods and temples grand, whispers of the past in the shifting sand. In the depths of the sea, where the silence reigns, a hidden world where mystery remains. Through the shadows and the crystal clear, the lost city of Atlantis draws near. In the heart of the ocean, where the legends lie, a sunken realm beneath the sky. Golden spires and sapphire streets, the lost city of Atlantis, where history meets. Through the ruins, the corals embrace the echoes of glory in every place. Statues of gods and temples grand, whispers of the past in the shifting sand. He touches the walls, feels the ancient stone,